Hello children, welcome to Narayana Digital Classes. So today I am going to discuss assignment number 4, board topic of class 6th class. The topic is separation of substances, activity 3 and 4. So here the first question is, what is crystallization? So crystallization is a technique which is used to separate the crystals of impure crystals from the pure crystals by heating. This technique is called crystallization. Suppose for example, the two types of crystals are there. Suppose for example, so two crystals are there. Two crystals are present in a liquid. Suppose for example, that means if you take this mixture of salts and if you heat this, that means the impurities may gets out by the evaporation and remaining the pure substance will be settled as a crystals. Whenever we are getting the crystals, this process is called crystallization. That means the process of getting the pure crystals from the impure substances is called crystallization. Right. Next chapter. What is distillation? So distillation is a process. Distillation is a process which generally, whenever the solution having the two or more substances, in this we are separating the two liquid substance by using the difference in their boiling point. Difference in their boiling point. Difference in their boiling point. Suppose for example, the two substances, I added water in alcohol. So I want to separate alcohol from the water. So generally I use it to go for the distillation because the boiling point of water is different and boiling point of alcohol is different. That means the boiling point of substance having lower boiling point, generally that substance will be escaped first and then the remaining substance will be settled in the test tube. This process is called distillation. That means the process of separation of liquids by the difference of their boiling point, then the separation technique is called distillation. Next, what is a distilled water? So the water which is purified or which is getting by the distillation process is called distilled water. Generally, so we are using this technique whenever we are purifying the water from seawater. If you take the seawater, by using this distillation technique, generally we separate the pure water. This pure water is nothing but distilled water. This pure water is nothing but distilled water. That means the process of extraction or the process of getting the pure water from impure water is nothing but distillation. That means based on the difference in their boiling points, we use it to separate the pure water from the impure water. This technique and the water getting by this technique is called distilled water. Right? Next. Describe the preparation of salt from seawater. That means the seawater is a rich source of salt. Generally, seawater, so we'll collect the seawater and we'll prepare a high, that means area, that means nearer the sea areas we'll prepare all the collection of seawater and we pure seawater in this area. That means before only we prepare this type of partition. In this will send the seawater. After this, what happens? So just left over this all this water, the 7 to 8 days or 7 to 15 days. Then what happens? All the water in this is evaporated, and then finally a salt. That means a solid particle is left over in this area. So this is called salt. This is called salt. That means generally we use the technique that is called evaporation technique. Which technique? Evaporation technique. That means what is the energy source here? Sun. That means when the sun rays are fall on this, means what happens? The water gets evaporated and then it is converted to a salt crystals. By this method only we prepare the huge amount of the salt. This is the preparation of salt from seawater. Right? And next step. Explain the process of crystallization. This is the activities and we have. That means take a beaker, and this is a salt water. This is salt water and heat with a Bunsen burner. So what happens whenever we are heating the salt water, that means water gets evaporated. Water gets evaporated. After some time, what happens in this beaker, the bottom of the beaker, that means a solid crystals are left as a salt. This is called crystallization. This process is called crystallization process. That means we are taking the salt water. That means we are heating the salt water, and what happens in this? It gets evaporated. It gets evaporated. So after evaporation, only the pure salt particle or the pure salt crystals are left over in the bottom of the beaker. Then we will collect those pure crystals. The collection of this pure crystals from the impure salt solution is called process of crystallization. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.